So you would get 200 milliseconds per step, so 5 frames per second, which probably isn't good enough. So running on, so in theory, this would all have to run inside the car. Luckily, you would only need to run the model though. The model would actually predict pretty quick. Like you probably wouldn't be doing exploration in reality anyways. I digress. So continuing on, client.set_timeout.
Hi, I'm Rick Hefner, Program Director at California, and I'm here to introduce you to the postgraduate program in DevOps. In this program, you will learn over 40 in-demand DevOps skills and tools, including Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and many more. You'll gain hands-on experience with more than 20 industry-relevant projects and integrated labs, delivered on Simplilearn's award-winning online learning.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Self-Driving Cars with Python, Carla, and hopefully some reinforcement learning. We'll see. Where we left off, we actually built the environment code that we're going to use, sort of the environment layer on top of the Carla server client code, basically. And so this is basically what translates information to our agent, which is what's going to train our actual model. Now, what we want to do today is actually code that agent, but doing that brings up a different problem that we have, and that is we want to be able to predict and train at the same time, right? That's pretty inherent to reinforcement learning. The problem is this is a relatively complex environment that requires a decent amount of processing, both just to display the environment, but then the actual model that we're going to wind up with is taking in a large amount of data because it's taking in. We've got that as a problem. The other thing is we want yet at the same time we want to do that because we want to predict and we want to train in different threads. Or actually how many, yeah, it depends, either episodes or steps, depending on when you're going to decide to decay. Then I just write a for loop to determine the number.